Yeah.
Hello Kapamilya! Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while that I don't have any update about my coffee business, which is the Ultra Green coffee from the Ultra Green company. For today, if you are interested about this coffee that I've been taking for almost 3 years, this video is probably for you. So just keep on watching. Okay, Kapamilya, I'm giving you a concrete evidence about my UGC journey. Ultra Green Coffee ang kape ng inyong lingkod. From 64 kilos down to 53 kilos. Diba? Ang bongga-bongga ng effect ng kape sa akin. So, alam ko po na marami na kayong nakitang reviews about Ultra Green Coffee, but then, mahirap po para sa akin magsabi o magbigay sa inyo ng reviews. Ang ginawa ko po ay ipinakita ko na lang through pictures ang naging effect ng Ultra Green Coffee sa akin. Baka kasi sabihin nyo, puro positive ang sinasabi ko kasi reseller ako ng UGC or this is my business. So, here are the pictures showing how effective my coffee is. Okay, this is the latest or the newest product of our company, the Ultra Green Jamocha flavor. Masarap po siya and kapeng-kape po talaga yung lasa niya. Ayan po. Susunod po ay sasabihin ko kung ano-ano ang mga ingredients. What are the ingredients of Jamocha flavor? We have actually the same as classic. Kaya lang po, nadagdagan lang po siya ng cacao or cacao. So, meron siyang nadagdag na ingredients lang. Aside from cacao, we have mangosteen, bignay, guyabano, bitter melon, and then we have banaba and malunggay. This one is the classic blend, which is the first product of Ultra Green Company, ang kauna-unahang produktong kape ng UGC. So, classic blend. Wala lang po diyang ingredients na cacao or cacao. So, just the same as Jamocha flavor. Another flavor or variant that we have in UGC is yung pampagandang kape, pampabata. UGC Collagen Plus. Ayan po ang UGC Collagen Plus. What are the ingredients of UGC Collagen Plus? Okay, we have the green coffee bean, of course, and collagen, stevia. Ayan, nakikita naman po kung ano-ano ang mga ingredients niya. Whatever it takes, I'll go for my journey at the Ultra Green conglomerate.
How you like that? You gonna like that? How you like that? How you like that?
So, andito po kami sa patio. Kasama ko po ang magandang co-teacher ko before. Nasa public na po siya. Ito po yung kanyang Jamocha flavor. Say hi, ma.
Hi po.
Yan, ganda ng buyer ko ngayon. guys, meet my business partner in Malolos, Ma'am Debbie Estomata. Ma'am Debbie Cruz Estomata, yan po siya. At syempre po, kaya ako nandito sa Rob, Malolos. Ito po yung aming... Yan po, yan. And of course, with classic blend. The new Christmas packaging is the classic blend. So guys, I'm here in Robinson's Malolos with my business partner, Ma'am Debbie Cruz Estomata. Hello po. Ayan, nakikita po kami dito para kaming tunay. Thank you so much for availing, Ma'am Debbie.